What's up, housemates? I'm back again. I'm also feeling a little bit sick, so I'm not going to be doing much talking in this video. It is our 80s glow party tonight at Lavish in London, Ontario. So I'm going to go off camera and shave and moisturize and prime, and then I will be right back to get into it. Okay, that's done. So I've moisturized, I used my Nivea for Men Sensitive Skin Cooling Aftershave, and I also went in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And yeah, so now I'm just going to go right in and get started on these brows, and yeah, here we go. Alright, so this is basically it. I'm gonna throw on some lashes, show you guys the look, and BRB. Alright, here it is. She is made up. The hair is huge. She got her spiked bronze, some little jewelry. I am in love with this look. I cannot wait to host tonight. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm glad I got through this video. I am still so sick, as I said at the beginning of the video. And it just seems to have only gotten worse as I was doing my makeup. So hopefully I make it through this night, and I am going to try my best to put on a good show. I just need to give a shout out real quick to Miss Brian Greenwood, Diviness, who provided this hair for me. It was also featured in the Canada's Lip Dub video, which I got to do with a bunch of amazing drag queens from Toronto and some drag kings. So I'll leave a link in the description to that below, as well as a list of all the products that I've used in this video, so that you can go and give them a try if you'd like. Other than that, please make sure you check out the shop. As I have said in all of my videos, we have relaunched our House of Sleaze shop. It is now found at houseofsleaze.com/shop.html. You can go there to find shirts, mugs, all kinds of stuff, jackets, hoodies, etc., with our faces on it. All of the drawings and artwork provided for those items is actually custom artwork that was made by the one and only Betty Rebel, our former housemate. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe, as well as click the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Peace, housemates. Love you.